Here's something your mechanic will never tell you to your face. Some cars are so reliable, they've actually put mechanics out of business. Not because those mechanics were bad at their job, because there was nothing left to fix. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact 7 cars that almost never break down, and why owning one of these could save you thousands of dollars a year in repairs. I'll also tell you the one car on this list that mechanics secretly hate seeing pull into their shop, and a warning sign that means a reliable car is about to become a money pit. I spent time going through repair databases, mechanic forums, and owner reports to find the cars that show up again and again with almost zero major repairs. Not oil changes and brake pads. Those don't count. I'm talking about the big stuff: transmissions, engines, electrical systems. These are the cars that mechanics see once for an inspection and then never see again. Number 7, Toyota Corolla. This one probably doesn't surprise you, but here's what might. Some Corolla owners report driving past 300,000 miles without ever touching the engine internally. Not one rebuild, not one major repair. The reason is simple. Toyota didn't try to reinvent this car every year. They took a good engine and just kept improving small things year after year instead of starting from scratch. Less change means fewer things that can go wrong. If you want a car that will quietly outlive your car payment by a decade, this is it. Number 6, Honda Accord. The Accord earns its spot for a different reason. It's not just the engine. It's how easy the car is to work on when something finally does go wrong. Parts are cheap. Labor is simple. And because so many Accords are on the road, mechanics have seen every possible problem already, so nothing catches them off guard. Here's a tip. If you're shopping for a used Accord, look for the 4-cylinder engine, not the V6. It's the simpler option, and simple is what keeps repair bills low. Number 5, Lexus ES. This is where people get surprised. Lexus is a luxury brand, but underneath, it shares a lot of its engineering with Toyota. You're basically getting a Camry with a nicer interior and a quieter ride. That means you get the reliability of a Toyota, but the comfort features that matter more as we get older. Better seats, a smoother ride, and a quieter cabin on long drives. There's actually a small warning sign that shows up on later Lexus models that tells you a reliable car is starting to become expensive. I'll show you exactly what to look for near the end of this video. Number 4, Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 doesn't get talked about enough. It's a smaller car, but it's built with real engineering pride. Mazda tends to keep their engines simple and well-tested before putting them in customer hands, rather than rushing new technology out the door. Owners consistently report going years without a single unexpected repair, and because it's a smaller, lighter car, it's also easier on tires and brakes, which saves you even more over time. Number 3, Toyota Camry. You knew a Camry was coming. This car has become almost a joke in the car world because it just refuses to break. Taxi companies used to run Camrys for hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Here's the part most people miss, though. The reason the Camry lasts so long isn't magic. It's because Toyota tests these engines for years before they ever go into a car you can buy. By the time you're driving one, all the mistakes have already been found and fixed on someone else's car, not yours. Number 2, Subaru Outback. This one might raise an eyebrow because Subarus have a reputation for head gasket problems, but that was mostly older models. Newer Outbacks fixed that issue, and now they're known for something else: going anywhere, in any weather, without drama. If you live somewhere with snow, rain, or rough roads, this is the car that keeps running when other cars are stuck in the shop. The all-wheel drive isn't just for looks, it's built to last. Number 1, Honda Civic. Here it is. Number 1. And this is the car mechanics secretly dread seeing on their schedule, because there's almost nothing to fix. The Civic has one of the longest track records of any car ever made. Millions of them are still on the road today, many past 250,000 miles, with owners saying the same thing. Nothing major has ever gone wrong. It's simple, it's cheap to maintain, and parts are everywhere. If you want the least stressful car ownership experience possible, this is the one. Now, here's that warning sign I promised you. Even the most reliable car can turn into a money pit if it sits unused for long periods. Batteries die, rubber seals dry out and crack, fluids break down even if you never drive the car. This happens a lot with second cars or cars owned by folks who don't drive every day anymore. So if you own one of these reliable cars but only drive it once or twice a week, don't skip your maintenance schedule just because it's a reliable car. Reliable doesn't mean invincible. It means it was built well. It still needs basic care to stay that way. So there you have it. 7 cars that can save you thousands in repair bills just by making a smarter choice up front. If you're thinking about your next car or helping a family member pick one out, these are 7 names worth putting on your list. If this helped you, I've got more videos just like it walking through exactly what to look for and what to avoid, so you never get taken advantage of at a dealership or a repair shop. Just look through the channel. There's a lot more here for you.